Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to share with you very important and very useful information about a free online learning platform by Microsoft. Yes guys, Microsoft has launched its free online learning platform through which you can learn about different types of Microsoft products and also regarding various technical concepts. Okay, so this platform is called Microsoft Learn and you can access it at no cost, and it has very rich content, very good courses, and the way of teaching or way of explaining is also very nice. And I've been using this platform for some time now, and I thought of sharing this with you all. So I'll just show you how to access this platform. So guys, to access this online educational portal, you need to go to this URL, docsdocs.microsoft.com, and at this URL you will get a different options. See, Microsoft has basically, this is a document library which is nothing but a detailed and very well explained, detailed step-by-step documentation for all the Microsoft products. It includes Office, then Azure, Windows, SQL, Surface, a lot of applications are there. All the Microsoft products are available, and you can download and you can watch or you can read the detailed documentation how to use all these products. Plus here you will get this tab at the top, Learn. If you go to this tab, Learn, it will take you to the learning portal. Okay, so this is the learning portal, Microsoft Learn, and here you can log in with your Microsoft account. Sign in. Here at right hand corner, top corner, there is a sign in button, but there is no requirement for signing in. Yeah, there are some benefits of signing in, like you can create your own collections of modules, or you can track your progress, how much you have learned so far, and you can share your progress with others. So there are some benefits, and plus you can use some free Azure resources also if you have Microsoft account. But if you want to just learn, then you don't need any account. You can just go to any module. So there are a lot of modules. We think you might like this. There are, see now, since I use this often, so the computer knows, or in my computer cache memory, my search history is saved. So accordingly, it is showing me some recommendations, learning path. So there are two types of learning options are there. One is learning path and another is learning module. So learning path is nothing but the collection of modules. Like suppose I am going in this module. This is the learning path. So I am going in this learning path. Create and use analytics reports with Power BI. So inside this learning path there are 4 modules. See, inside this learning path there are 4 modules. This is the first one, then second, then third, fourth and fifth and sixth. See, there are 6 modules. So this is a individual module, and the collection of modules is your learning path. So you can prepare for Microsoft exams, or you can prepare for interviews, or for knowledge also you can access these resources, and these are completely free. You don't have to pay anything. If you have any Microsoft account, I have my Microsoft account prashant.lele@hotmail.com. So similarly, if you have some @hotmail.com, @onmicrosoft.com, or @outlook.com, that kind of, or if you have Azure account also, you can log in with that account here and access it. And even if you don't have any account, still you can access it. So I'll just show you the main browse screen. If you go to the browse, it will show you all the available modules and learning paths. See, here you can select the products: .NET, Azure, Dynamics 365, then Office. You can select products from here: Power Platform, Power BI. See, you can select the product from here. Or if you are looking for a specific role, then there are a lot of roles here: administrator, business analyst, business user, data analyst, and all. So by role also you can select. Then you can select by levels also: advanced, beginner, and intermediate. And plus you have these 2 options, like learning path and module. Module is a single module, single specific topic, and learning path is a collection or group of various topics. Okay guys, So I'll just show you, I'll just click on Power BI. So we will see all the options available in Power BI. So all these modules, and see, this is a learning path, this is a module, then this is a learning path. So all these learning paths and module contain some information on Power BI. It is not like these are all dedicated to Power BI, but all these modules will contain like this: connect and analyze your Dynamics 365 data. So this is not dedicated Power BI module, but it will have some reference or some information about Power BI. So this is how it is arranged. Then here you can change the level also. I will select beginner level. So you will get all the entry level modules and learning paths here. And if you want to clear the filter, you can just clear filter from here. Then if you select, say I'm selecting the role of data analyst because I'm more interested in that. So in data analyst you will get all the modules and learning paths related to data analyst. Then if I only want to see the learning path, then I'll just select learning path and I will see only learning path. So get started with Microsoft Data Analytics, prepare data for analysis, create and use analytics reports with Power BI. So these are all learning paths for data analyst. So this is the role. Okay. So you can prepare for certifications. So there is a link for certifications also. You can see, check, browse certifications, and you can access this learning portal through certifications. Certifications link also. So this is the certification. Again, the interface is same: roles, technology, and level. Okay, and there are certificate types: MCE, Microsoft Certified Engineer, Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate, then MCSE, Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer, Microsoft Office Specialist. So if you click on a Microsoft Office Specialist, all the certificates will come here. See, Microsoft Office Specialist, PowerPoint Associate. So these are all certifications, and accordingly you can prepare. I will show you one thing which I recently I have accessed. So in data analyst you have this exam called DA100, which is just launched exam. Where is that exam? Yes, this one, exam DA100, analyzing data with Microsoft Power BI. So if you pass this exam, you will get certification. See, exam DA100. So if you pass this exam, you will get certification of Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. So here they are recommending online free training for this exam, and all the modules which we already saw, we just saw these modules in learning portal. So all these modules are mentioned here. So you can just prepare for this exam by accessing these free modules. So if I click on this learning path, it will again take me to the learning portal. See, again it came here. We just saw this module only, or we saw some another module, but okay, so these are all same. Okay guys, so please explore this tool and explore this service by Microsoft. It's very useful and very informative, and its content is very rich, and their way of explaining is also very good. I'll just show you one of the modules. See, I'll just show you one of the modules inside that. So it always starts with, it has very good collection of videos, then pictures or images, then detailed discussion, then links for outside information also. So it's very interactive and very engaging. Okay, and in detail they have discussed all the concepts like types of analytics and all. Similarly for Power BI, for Azure, for Power Apps, for DevOps, everywhere they have tried to keep it as simple and as engaging as possible. So guys, please make use of this, so that Microsoft has made available this very good feature, and we can take advantage of that. Okay, Learn, Microsoft Learn. This is Microsoft Learn. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye and keep learning. Thanks a lot.